Now that we have the holes dug and the poles in the ground, the next step is to get these brackets made so that we could hang the signs up. So what we're going to be using is the boards that you saw us cut up, this angled bracket that goes on top of the 4x4, 5/8 inch spade drill bit, 1/4 inch drill bit so that we can fit in the 1/4 inch carriage bolts, little wood screws. So the first step I need to do is center the bracket in the middle of the board. So I'm going to mark the top holes is where I'm going to be using the carriage bolts. And to do that, I'm going to mark here. I'm going to use the spade drill bit to make myself a hole large enough so that the head of the carriage bolt sits flush against the board, so that when we put the metal sign in place, it's not going to bevel up. So I'm going to take my 1/4 inch drill bit and I'm going to drive the drill bit through the 2 markings that I made. Make sure that this fits. Mark where the carriage, the square neck of the carriage bolt ends, and then I'll be able to start using the spade drill bit to make a hole bigger. The last and final step of the signs for this park is to hang them. So we're going to hang the signs with the brackets I made. This came with some hardware, so I'm going to be using that to attach it to the 4x4. It has these hex nuts for wood. I'll be driving into the side of the bracket into the 4x4. There we have it. It ain't going nowhere. Here it is. A very awesome design my daughter did. Using my one-handed bar clamps, I was able to temporarily secure the board, freeing up my hands to drill holes through the 4x4s for the 5.5 inch long toggle bolts. I'm going to take my large drill bit and I'm going to go right through the hole so that I can go all the way across and be able to put my carriage bolts through. Since I could only find a 1/4 inch wide by 12 inch long drill bit at the store, I had to finish widening the holes with a smaller 5/16 drill bit that matched the diameter of the carriage bolts. Carefully lining up the bolts with the holes on the 4x4s, we tapped all bolts using a hammer. This bolt in particular was being a stubborn one. Using nuts, washers, and a combination wrench, we tightened the sign to the 4x4s. Here's the carriage bolt going through the sign, all the way through the 4x4 and to the back. I ended up using, I think, 5.5 or 6 inch carriage bolts. Turned out very nice. Kind of got lucky that we didn't realize the holes for the sign were going to be so close to the edge, so we dodged that bullet.